How to turn on or off Instagram story comments. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on or off comments on your Instagram stories. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you can do is simply scroll down, and there under how others can interact with you, there you'll see the option labeled as comments. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the comment section, you simply have to tap on stories. And now here in this section, you'll see the three options under control. So here, if you want to turn off Instagram story comments, then what you can do is simply select the off option. But here, if you want to turn on the story comments on Instagram, then what you can do is just set it to everyone, and it will enable the story comments option on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.